Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a tutorial showing you how to make these 4 little Avenger eggs, or what I like to call EggVengers, and this is in time for the Avengers Endgame movie. So we're going to start off with Captain America, so I'm taking some light blue translucent clay and rolling it flat into a pancake shape. And then I'm placing 3 little lines of white clay to make an A. To make the little wings on the side of the head, I took some white clay and pinched it into a teardrop shape. And using my polymer clay blade, I used the dull end to make one little etch mark in between, so it kind of looks like a white heart. Next, we're going to place those 2 heart-shaped wings on the side of the A. And we can't forget our little dot eyes and a line smile. So here's the Captain America head all baked. And for the yolk part, I took some white UV resin and I kind of squeezed it out into a star shape because it's kind of like a Captain America star. Place the egg yolk in the middle and let that cure under the UV lamp for 2 minutes. And here is the first EggVenger. And please don't mind the green on my nail. That's some avocado I had from breakfast and I did not notice I had some until I was editing this video. Oops. For the next EggVenger, we're making the Hulk, so I'm taking some light green translucent clay and I'm flattening it out into another dome shape. And we're going to start out with giving it some dot eyes. And instead of a line smile, we're going to give it a line frown. And we're also going to give it some rectangular eyebrows that are slanted inwards, so it's some angry eyebrows. And I have some little snakes of red clay that I bent into corners to make like an angry mark. And you just have to assemble it like a plus sign. And here is the Hulk egg all baked. Next I took some clear UV resin and I just placed it into a random organic shape and I placed the yolk in the middle. And I made it a clear yolk for Hulk because I think of like a raw egg and the Hulk is kind of like raw anger and raw emotions. The third EggVenger we're going to make is Iron Man, so I'm taking a ball of red translucent clay and flattening it out. And I'm taking some yellow translucent clay and I'm going to flatten it out into a thin sheet. So we're going to use this thin sheet of yellow clay to make the mask part of Iron Man. So I'm taking my X-Acto knife and polymer clay blade. I'm just cutting away until I have the nice Iron Man-ish kind of shape that I'm looking for. It kind of looks like an octagon with 2 little rectangles pulled out of it. And we're going to place that in the middle of our translucent red ball of clay. So then we're going to give it some light blue rectangles for eyes. And a line smile. For the egg yolk for this one, I made it a little different. I made an outline with white UV resin. I filled in with clear UV resin and placed Iron Man in the middle. And it kind of looks like the beginning stages of when an egg is about to fry. So I made it into kind of like a progression of frying an egg. So for the 4th EggVenger, I'm making Thor, so I'm flattening out a ball of yellow clay. And for the eyes, we're going to give it 2 light blue dot eyes. And this is the Thor where he kind of glows when he's like emitting thunder, lightning shocks out of his body. So I'm flattening out some brown clay, and we're gonna make his kind of beard goatee kind of thing. And it looks like kind of like a hexagon with a giant square taken out of it, in my opinion. So that's exactly what I did. And I'm placing it on the little yellow yolk. Gave it a line smile, but then I thought the eyes were too far up, so I brought the eyes down a little bit. And then I'm flattening out some light blue translucent clay, and we're going to cut out some lightning marks out of it. And I thought Thor was kind of the hardest to make it look like Thor, so I just gave it some lightning marks to be like, hey, this is thunder, so it must be Thor. But I kind of arranged it in a way it looks like he has lightning eyebrows. But you know, I think it's okay. So for the egg white part, we're taking some white UV resin and placing our egg yolk Thor in the middle of it and letting that cure. And then I'm kind of surrounding it with some orange UV resin, so it looks like it's kind of fried on the outside. And once fully cured, here is the final product. Once again, avoid looking at my avocado nail. I just keep staring at it. I can't believe I didn't clean it off. And this is the 4th EggVenger that we have, and here are the final ones. We have the Hulk, Captain America, Iron Man, and Thor. And I do plan to make other EggVengers, so let me know which one you want to see in the comment section below. Thanks for watching!